Eric here with another kind of starting off point for a series of videos to help us create online student portfolios. A student portfolio is basically a website that allows you to showcase all of your work, your art, your projects, your presentations, your reports, um, and sort of kind of document the story of you. And this is going to be a very useful thing for you. And I'm going to tell you in this video why it's such a good thing for you to do. So before we get into the specifics of the tools of using your website and all the things that we're going to be looking to add onto it, it'll help you to understand why we're doing this, right? Why is this important activity? And I think it's a very important activity for you as a student to grow and to learn and to actually out of your efforts. So let's look at a few reasons why this is a great and important task for us. The first thing is we're going to be practicing the art of archiving your work, right? Archiving your work is, as we have going to be lifelong learners, we're going to need to come back and see the things that we've done in the future to help us with some future project, some future assignment, whatever. Maybe we've done something similar to it in the past. Maybe we need to go back and brush up on some of the things we've done prior. Archiving your work is a practice that if we develop it well, we can save ourselves a lot of time. And the practice of doing it is exactly what we are wanting to have you do by making these online portfolios and adding your reports and work to your portfolio. So practice saving your work, collecting your work, managing all the things that you do online. Another great thing is experience using technology, using the web, creating websites, making design decisions are all great skills to have moving towards the future, and this will give you a little more experience doing that as well. Understand the story of your journey, right? It's a very reflective process to make an online portfolio. You're going to be looking back at what you've done and allowing other people to look at it and allowing yourself to look at your work. So you get a better idea of what you've done, what you've accomplished, and the overall story of your journey through your studies, through your projects, through your presentations. If you get to see it all in one place, this is going to be very profound for you and help you moving towards the future as well. Actually, you might think, actually, this is going to be very time consuming for you. You have to, after you make your report or make your presentation, you have to spend a little bit of extra time adding it to your online portfolio. But in the long run, this is going to save you a lot of time and effort because you are going to probably end up using a lot of your material, a lot of your efforts, a lot of the artwork that you've seen, a lot of the research that you collect again in some other project, especially if you start to focus your career or your studies into one particular area. And so you're going to be able to go back to your online portfolio and show people something similar that you've done, or give an idea to people, a project you've done, or a topic you like to discuss, just by showing people your portfolio. And also taking bits and pieces of your reports and your presentations and adding them to other ones. I do this all the time with my work. Showcase your talents, right? So you make a great presentation. Is it only for the people in the room? Well, why should it be just for the people that show up and look at your presentation? Or why should your report only be for your teacher to see? You can use your hard work and show it off to the world, show it to other people. And rather, for example, when you go do your shu shoku katsudo or your job hunting when you're looking to graduate university, more and more companies are trying to understand what makes you unique and different and better than the other people applying for the job. So having a place to show your potential employers, show your new teammates some of the things that you've done, some of the experiences that you have, some of the great work that you have accomplished can go a long way, more than just showing your grades or showing some test scores or showing a resume. So, being able to tell your story reflects, and all these kinds of things kind of work together to make your online portfolio a very worthwhile effort and very much worth your time. And I hope that you take these reasons to heart and put your best effort into making an online portfolio, because I really believe this is something that is going to help you especially in the long run. The next couple of videos are on this channel. You might want to subscribe. We're going to talk about just what it means to make a portfolio and how to make it. We'll see you next time.